In this lesson, we'll discuss things like the co-interior angles, corresponding angles, and the alternate angles. But before we discuss those angles, we'll discuss the parallel lines, because the co-interior angles, corresponding angles, and the alternate angles, the parallel lines. So let's understand what are parallel lines. Actually, parallel lines are lines that are distant from each other and they never meet. The lines di kgaogane and then di ka se kopane anyway. Go ka lebella these two lines. Let's say this is line AB and then this one ke line CD. Go kgona bona gore these lines di distance from each other. These lines di ka se kopane anyway. Even if re ka try to extend these lines, ra extend this one, it can over the same distance di ka se kopane anyway. So these lines they are parallel. Even these two lines, this one and this one, they are parallel because they distance from each other and then they will never meet. They can kopane anyway. But in your test, you should never assume the lines they distance from each other, they are parallel, because sometimes they are distance from each other and then they are not parallel because the lines are not drawn to scale. The scale or draw those lines. In your test, direct. Either line AB is parallel to line CD. In this way, but AB is parallel to line CD. In this way, the arrows. The arrows on these lines. This line and this line, they are parallel. Sometimes these two arrows, so it's the same thing. So either way, only the lines and then only these arrows on the lines. These lines are parallel. So now you understand what are parallel lines. And then another thing to discuss the transversal line. Actually, transversal line in a line intersector or it touch both parallel lines. Any line it touch these parallel lines. It touch this line and this line. This line a transversal line. It doesn't matter that line it touch these parallel lines in this way. For as long as it can touch these lines, this line a transversal line. Even this one is only a transversal line. Now, we'll discuss the co-interior angles, the corresponding angles, and the alternate angles. Because these angles, the parallel lines, and then the transversal line. And then now, let's say angle here. And then rabali another angle mo. Uka kgona bona gore re di angles tse pedi tse di ka mogare ga the parallel lines and then on a transversal line. The key thing these angles di ka mogare ga the parallel lines and then on a transversal line. So re ka ba le this situation and then re what we call the co-interior angles. The word inter means inside. So that is why for co-interior angles, the angles di ba ka mogare ga the parallel lines. And then another thing is very important the co-interior angles the co-interior angles are supplementary. Let's say this one key angle X and then let's say this one key angle Y. So angle X plus angle Y dilekana 180 degrees. So key the co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are supplementary. So the angles the add therefore 180 degrees. So that is something very important about the co-interior angles. The key thing these angles di ka mogare ga the parallel lines. And then now let's say re na le angle here and then ra ba le another angle here. let's say this one ke angle A, and then let's say this one ke angle B. O ka lebella these two situations, o ka kgona bona re mo rena le angle e tee ka gare ga the parallel lines, and then e nngwe e ka montle ga the parallel lines. But for co-interior angles, the angles tsa gona ka monka di ka mogare ga the parallel lines. So ge re ka ba le a situation mo e le gore angle e tee e ka mogare ga the parallel lines, and then e nngwe e ka montle ga the parallel lines, and then on a transversal line, and then re na le the corresponding angles. So the key theme mo ko gore angle e tee ka gare and then e nngwe ka ntle, but for co-interior angles kaofela ga tsona di ka gare. And then another thing e le gore e botlhokwa ka the corresponding angles ke gore the corresponding angles are equal. This means angle A e lekana le angle B. Ge e le gore this angle ke 30 degrees, e rela gore le angle B ke 30 degrees. So ke the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. So even if re ka ba le angle ka montle and then e nngwe ya ba ka mogare, e tlo ba corresponding angles. For as long as e tee ka ba ka gare, e tee ya ba ka ntle, so re na le the corresponding angles. And then now let's say re na le angle here, and then ra ba le another angle here. Lemoga something, o ka kgona bona gore mo re na le a transversal line, and then o ka kgona bona gore the angles tša rena di on the opposite side ya the transversal line. O ka kgona bona gore this angle e ka mo left, and then this one e ka mo right on the transversal line. But go ka lebella the corresponding and then wa lebella le the co-interior, the angles tša rena kaofela di on the same side ya the transversal line, because ka kgona bona gore ka moka di ka mo godimo, even this one. But for this one, the angles tša rena di on the opposite side ya the transversal line. So ge re ka ba le this situation, and then re na le what we call the alternate angles. And then another thing e le gore is very important ka the alternate angles kore the alternate angles are equal. Let's say if mo re na le angle L and then mo re na le angle K, this means angle K e lekana le angle L. So for alternate angles, the angles tša gona di a lekana, and then for corresponding angles, the angles tša gona di a lekana. So the key thing about alternate angles gore the angles tša gona di on the opposite side ya the transversal line. Even if o ka ba le something like this one, o ka kgona bona gore re na le di angles tša rena mo le gore di on the opposite side ya the transversal line, because mo re na le a transversal line, o ka kgona bona gore this angle e ka mo godimo and then ye ka mo fase, so di on the opposite side. This one it's up and then this one is down, so di on the opposite side, because even for this one e ka mo left and then this one e ka mo right, so re na le the alternate angles is the same thing. Co-interior angles, the angles tša gona di ka mo gare ga the parallel lines, and then co-interior angles are supplementary ge re di adda di re fa 180 degrees, and then corresponding angles, angle e tee ka gare and then e tee ka ntle, and then corresponding angles are equal. Alternate angles, the angles tša gona di on the opposite side ya the transversal line, and then alternate angles are equal. Le ge o ka lebella this situation, re tshwana le the alternate angles, because o ka kgona bona gore this angle and this angle di on the opposite side ya the transversal line. This angle e ka mo left and then this angle e ka mo right. Lebella this one again, this angle is on the opposite le this angle. This angle e ka mo right and then this angle e ka mo left. But the only difference between this one and this one ke gore these angles di ka mo gare ga the parallel lines, but this one di ka mo ntle ga the parallel lines. But it's only the same thing, it's only the alternate angles. So this one, because the angles tša gona di ka mogare ga the parallel lines, re di bitša gore ke the interior alternate angles because di ka gare. And then this one, because the angles tša gona di ka montle, re bitša gore ke the exterior alternate angles. The word exterior means outside, so ke the same thing. As long as the angles tša go di on the opposite side ya the transversal line, ke the alternate angles. So ge di le ka gare o na le the interior alternate angles, and then ge di le ka ntle o na le the exterior alternate angles. So in your exam go fa reasoning, there is no need ya gore o specify or interior or exterior, for as long as o ka know the alternate angles, so it's correct. Mo go ka lebela this picture o ka kgona bona re this angle e ka mogare and then this angle e ka montle, so era la rona le the corresponding angles, but this one di ka mogare ka ofela ga jona, era rona the co-interior angles. And then for this one, these angles di on the opposite side ya the transversal line, era la rona the alternate angles. So re na le a fun diagram, so this fun diagram e tlo thuša gore kgone go remember those angles. And so that's it for these angles. I re lebelle some questions tše lore di related to these angles. And then this question area, determine the values of the unknown angles given reasons. A re lebelle part A. Go kgona bona gore this line and this line is parallel because these arrows they are direct. And then from here o ka kgona bona gore re na le di angles tše pedi tše le gore di ka mogare ga the parallel lines and then on a transversal line. And then ra tseba gore ge re ka ba le di angles tše le gore di ka gare ga the parallel lines and then on a transversal line, e ra le gore re na le the co-interior angles. And then ra tseba gore the co-interior angles are supplementary, meaning ge re add those angles di tlo fa 180 degrees. Therefore re tlo ba le x plus 66 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. And then always ufa reasoning or why we re x plus 66 is equals to 180 degrees. Reason go re na le co-interior angles. In short, in this way is correct. This is co-interior angles. And then from here, because question in yaka resolve the value of the unknown angles, x is equals to 180 degrees minus 66 degrees, and then 180 minus 66 is 114. So key the unknown angle, key this angle, so error key 114 degrees. And then now our level part B. Even for part B you can bona gore re na le the parallel lines because these arrows they are direct. This means AB parallel to CD, and then re na le angle ya 91 degrees, and then ra ba le 2k plus 37 degrees. This means that treat 2k plus 37 as an angle because these angles di ka mogare ga the parallel lines and then on a transversal line, era la gore re na le the co-interior angles. Therefore this means re tlo ba le angle ya 91 degrees plus 2k plus 37 is equals to 180 degrees, and then raising co-interior angles. And then now because re nyaka solve the value of k, this means re tlo thomela ra add the like terms. So re tlo add 91 plus 37. This is degrees by the way. So re tlo ba le 91 plus 37, and then 91 plus 37 di re fa 128. So re tlo ba le 2k plus 128 degrees is equals to 180 degrees, and then 180 minus 128 give 52. and then because re nyaka solve the value of k, re la re divide both sides ka 2. Therefore 52 divided by 2 re fa 26. So error the value of k ke 26 degrees. But this question area determine the values of the unknown angles. 2k plus 37 degrees re bona as an angle, and then 91 degrees re bona as an angle. So re tlo tshwana go re find the angle, not just a variable. E rela gore re nyaka angle D, re nyaka this angle, which is angle D. Therefore it will be 2k plus 37 degrees, and then the value of k re kry-la re ke 26. Era re tlo substitute ka 26 mo re bonago k, and then 2 times 26 plus 37 e re fa 89 degrees. So ke angle D. It makes sense because re tseba gore co-interior angles ga re di add di re fa 180 degrees. This means ga o ka re 91 plus 89 give this angle di tlo fa 180 degrees. So this is our answer. So be careful because question e be nyaka angle, e be sa nyake the variable. So re kry-ile this angle D gore ke 89 degrees. And then for part C o ka kgona bona again gore re na le the parallel lines because these arrows they are direct. This means line AB is parallel to CD, and then o ka kgona bona gore re na le angle e ka gare and then engwe e ka ntle, but the previous one the angles tsa bona kaofela be di le ka gare. So re a tseba gore ge re ka ba le angle e ka gare and then ra ba le angle e ka ntle, e rela gore na le corresponding angles, and then ra tseba gore corresponding angles are equal. This means angle Y e lekana le 57 degrees, and then re tlo fa reason corresponding angles, and then because the lines tsa rena ba di namile, this means re tlo re AB is parallel to CD. So this is our answer. And then now a re lebile part D, o ka kgona bona gore this line and this line di parallel because these arrows they are direct, and then o ka kgona bona gore this angle e ka mo left on a transversal line, and then this one e ka mo right on a transversal line. This means re na le the alternate angles because alternate angles, the angles tsa gona di ba on the opposite side ya the transversal line. Therefore ge re solve angle Y re tlo re angle Y e lekana le 47 degrees, and then the reason ya ba alternate angles. So ya ba our final answer in this way. And so that's it for this tutorial.